Patients often tell us that they were offered a CPAP for their sleep apnea, but never heard about oral appliances. And why is that? Well, a CPAP is certainly the gold standard for treating sleep apnea, but if you're not going to use it, it doesn't do any good. In 2006, the American Academy of Sleep Medicine recognized custom-fit oral appliances as a first-line treatment option for mild and moderate sleep apnea and for those patients who can't tolerate their CPAP. So give us a call today, because your life can be better with a great night's sleep.